I'm Haley Hoyt. I'm a loan officer out of the Dunkirk branch with First Home Mortgage. I love the sense of community, the support that they give me, not just as an individual, but also as a female loan officer, which we are the minority in the industry. I work with a lot of military buyers, and I enjoy working with them. About a week ago, where the veteran was under contract with a online big advertising lender, and the lender's like, "Oh, sorry, we can't do your loan. Sorry, you're gonna need to find somewhere else. This just doesn't work." So they give me a call, and I think that they just were unfamiliar with reading the orders that he had because they were a little unusual. It was no problem, really. So it's really just being well-versed and knowing your clientele and doing a lot of military loans. So whether it's being a college softball coach or it's coaching my 5 kids or all the different aspects of giving guidance, it's the same kind of thing where I'm able to help people, and I really enjoy getting them to their new home.